What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about the differences between a cold wallet, cold storage, and a hot wallet, and why you should be looking at protecting your assets. So let's get into it right now. So there are some major differences between a hot wallet or a cold wallet. Some people call them software wallets or hardware wallets. It just really depends on who you're talking to. And so to kind of explain it, we can look at the Google machine. And as you can see, it says a hot wallet, known as a software wallet, is a digital wallet that is typically connected to the internet. It is a piece of software installed in a device like a smartphone or a laptop, and is featured of a hot wallet as it generates your seed phrase online and stores your private keys online too. So that it's back and forth. I mean, it doesn't have to store your keys online. I mean, for instance, you have Talisman, Phantom, and MetaMask. These are three wallets that are very popular. They generate a key and you store it offline, but it is essentially generated online, but from my understanding, locally. And so that's one thing to be mindful of: a hardware wallet versus a cold storage wallet or a hardware wallet. Software is going to be, it needs internet access, and it's not as secure, because if your computer has some malware in it, or you've been to some dodgy sites, then you could have your crypto completely erased. I know this happening to quite a bit of people in the online space, where they thought they were connecting to a safe contract, or they downloaded a safe program. It was a game, actually. They downloaded a game. They thought it was safe. They were going to do a review on it, and that game was coded to steal their stuff. And unfortunately, they got tricked, and they lost all their crypto. And so that's why having a hot wallet or software wallet is great for your everyday transactions, doing little things. But if you're really looking to protect yourself and really have something that is secure, then you're gonna want, and for long term, then you're gonna want to get a hardware wallet. Let's get into cold storage wallets or hardware wallets. These are meant to secure your assets and protect you from bad actors. Obviously, this is not connected to the internet. That's why it's protected. It is not stored locally, so you can know that you are safe. It also generates the code within its own device, so it's not connected to the internet. So to kind of give you an idea, cold storage wallets, or simply cold wallets, are a type of crypto wallet hardware. Perhaps the most important differences between a cold wallet versus hardware wallet is that cold wallet offers an additional layer of security to protect your user assets. So I think these are some major key points to know the differences between hot wallets and cold wallets: security, convenience, cost, DeFi, and web access, and better for. So as you can see, hot wallets or software wallets, good for average protection. You can still be hacked, download all sorts of different things. The security is not that great. Convenience, very convenient. I mean, that's why it's so easy to use your computer or your mobile phone, is because it is convenient. It's really easy to use. Cost, they're free. Easy to use. DeFi access and web access, they're easy, better for trading and DeFi activities, which I totally agree. Now, cold wallets or hardware wallets, they can't be viewed. They are essentially stored offline. And so you shouldn't even ever access it online. You shouldn't view it online. You should just send your crypto to that wallet and forget about it. Cold wallets typically require you to log in via a USB, and we'll get over to some of my favorites here in a second. Hardware wallets cost between, it is a hardware device, so anywhere between $50 and $200. Web3 access, sometimes depending on the device, does require extra software or extra tweaks, and then obviously it's best for long-term storage, so that you're it's not everyday use, you're just setting it and forgetting it. So CoolWallet has both. They are a great wallet provider where you can get your hot wallet to do all of your typical needs, and then they have their cool storage wallet, which is for added security. We just talked about how you need both, one for everyday activities and one for long-term holds. And CoolWallet does that for you, which I love because it's just an easy way to have everything in one platform. They do have some major partners, and they have amazing reviews from over 300,000 customers worldwide. So you know it is a quality product. And they definitely have some sleek designs. And it's probably one of the only wallets that I've seen that's able to trade perpetuals at a 50x leverage. And they have just so much liquidity. And as far as user interface, it is bar none one of the best. So when I'm looking for a wallet, I've used all the major ones. And so having a good wallet that ties it all together is super important for me, just to save on convenience, time, peace of mind, headache. Headache factor is a major important factor to me. So not having to see if, this wallet, MetaMask, work with Ledger or, whatever it is, this blockchain works with this blockchain. I have it all tied in together with CoolWallet. So that's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. I hope you decide on which wallet is best for you. Definitely check out the links down below if you're looking to get your own CoolWallet. That's it, guys. Peace.